What's up guys, hi, it's Ketty and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're for the first time here. Today's video is all about reviewing product that I received today. So it's here, it's a Juvia'S Place palette, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like, what are the textures of the shadows. I'm gonna try them out, so you're gonna see the intensity of the colors. So without any further ado, I just want to grab this product because I'm very excited. I just want to open here with you so you can check with me and we can see together. The palette that I ordered, it's the Zulu eyeshadow palette. Finally, the palette is in my hand. Before I open the palette, subscribe on my channel. If you like what I was doing and demonstrating for you here, just give thumbs up to this tutorial. This is my first ever reviewing on YouTube. So let's see how you like when I'm reviewing and how I'm doing it. So subscribe. And if you want to be informed each time when I upload something new on the YouTube, you just have to hit the notification bell down below. It's here. Ding ding. I don't want to keep you busy any longer. Let's get in this box. I'm gonna dive inside of this box. I'm having the knife. I'm gonna open it here in front of you, the whole box, the whole packaging. Oh, this is the box. They really took care about safety and the protection of the palette.
It has those peanuts. I'm not sure how you're calling it. So the first part and the peanuts. Then it's going to be the palette wrapped up in this protection wrap, and then the palette itself.
So here we're gonna have 9 cruelty-free so let's support our animals and our planet. So Juvia'S is doing that, and thank you, Julia, for that. So my dog is there. I hope it's not eating. No, she's not. She's alive. Let's move on. This is how it's wrapped. Also, the shadow in the palette. The box itself, it's a little bit bigger than the palette. So the palette is bouncing inside of the box. That's why they put this wrap inside. But to be honest, if I'm them, I would rather make the box more tight for the palette. So guys, I'm super excited. The palette is here. I'm gonna open it now for you. I really like the white background. Yeah, I really like it.
So I don't know, should I continue with the opening?
This is what happened.
Aww.
Wow. Oh, I'm trying to show you so it will not everything fall down. But oh, it's keep crushing. As you can see, the frosty shades, metallic shades, they are kinda broken. So my Juvia'S palette, it's a bit damaged thanks to the pink and white packaging, and the colors, they are amazing. Oh, and they're keep crashing. Sorry, I cannot lift so much the palette because I don't want to lose the eyeshadows. Okay, so the first thing first, failed with delivery. The second thing, let's try this baby. I cannot wait. Okay, now let us try the palette. First, I'm gonna do the swatches for you. I'm gonna apply on this part of my hand. I'm gonna use soft ochre as eyeshadow base, and I'm gonna apply all over my hand so the colors will appear more strong and they're gonna show like a true effect. They're gonna be true as they are with the primer. So as you could see the demonstration of the colors, I start with the orange, yellow, brown, green, light metallic green, then like an aquamarine metallic color. Then I start with the pinkish with the gold inside. Since I didn't have space much down, I apply more of the primer up and I go with the pink, like a fuchsia color, and dark purple one. So when I was touching the shades, I felt that yellow one, it has a little bit different consistency on the hand. It's looking like it's less going out than the other shades. I didn't notice some fell off, but what I noticed when I was removing with the makeup remover, I got a bit stain. This one is from purple, this one is from pink one, but when I was removing from here, everything is clean very well. But as I was mentioning with my fingers, when I was going direct in a pan with eyeshadow, I noticed that the colors are very pigmented. So in this video I'm gonna have like two looks in one thanks to this awesome palette, and then you're gonna see how they're appearing on my skin, on my eyelids. I'm gonna use soft ochre as a base on each eye, and then with Zoya brushes I'm gonna blend them, and you're gonna see, if you continue watching, how the demonstrating slash applying look on my eyelids. And after when I finish with makeup look, I'm gonna tell you my impressions. So Juvia'S, here I come. Juvia'S. Girls, what a palette. Really, I was so skeptical about the yellow shade. But guys, the yellow one is so pigmented. The orange one is so pigmented. I'm just checking myself in the camera, and that's why my eyes are left and right. The green, the pink, the purple, the brown, even the broken one that I applied as an eyeliner, it's super pigmented. Also the frosty metallic shades, so pigmented. Honestly guys, this is amazing palette. Is it worth of the $20 that I pay? Yes, it is. Is it worth that got broken and smashed and loose? Yes, definitely. Like, I didn't regret that I ordered this palette. Even this happens. Like, I'm a makeup artist, so I'm gonna know the way how I can fix the things that are broken. So I wish that I have this magic potion even in my life. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. Are you following me? Are you following me on my Instagram? You better do. Check down in the description underneath of this video. You're gonna find also the link for my Instagram page, and there you can find as well the videos how I'm fixing the broken things. In this case, broken highlighter, broken eyeshadow. Yeah, you can find it the way how I'm doing. So you better go there. Anyway guys, Juvia'S Place palette, the Zulu palette came in my hand and I tried, and I'm really so happy how it's pigmented, how it doesn't have a bunch of the fell off. Okay, it has a bit, but really slight fell off. Maybe I didn't shake the brush well. So honestly, I love this palette.